So, Corsa VXR, it's had a few bits done to it, as you probably saw from the title. Take you for a walk around it, show you what's been done, and then we'll go for a little drive. Alright, so you've had a little look around the car from the intro, obviously. I'll just take you for a little walk around it, show you what's been done. I'll keep it nice and short, as I know all you care about really is just what it drives like. But yeah, we'll take it for a drive in a minute. So we'll start from the bottom. Obviously we've had all 4 alloys changed, they're all black FX Motorsport wheels. I'm gonna have to shout over this bird. So I've just gone home to finish recording around the car because that bloody bird, and I'll come home to this. It's not my day, is it? So as well as the wheels, it's had powder coated brake calipers, new brake discs all round. Move round to the back. It's been debadged. Not sure about that, to be honest. Some people like it, some don't. So we got the black stripes on the sides. They had about 15 horsepower, and the vents on the front, which actually do go into the engine. Some people just stick it on the bonnet. Yeah. And of course we got the little boost gauge inside, which you probably can't see very clearly, but there we are. Walk around it for a moment and then we'll hop in it. Okay, so moving inside, we got the Recaro seats, half leather, and in the back, good condition as well. We've got the 6-gear manual gearbox. It's actually really smooth to drive, and it's quite spacious in here. I've got a Fiesta S1600 as well, and it actually feels bigger than the Fiesta inside. I'm not sure why. I think the Fiesta is a bigger car, but no, it's pretty basic in here. You got the little boost gauge over in the corner. It's got things like automatic wipers, automatic lights, just the standard, but it's not really made for comfort, is it? It's been lowered on H&R lowering springs, so it's a stiffer ride, but no, it feels good. Alright, so now that that bit's out of the way, go for a little drive. Got to put some fuel in it, of course. Drinks fuel, this car. I'll put a tenner in and I'll show how much it goes up by. Probably not much, it will last me about 40 miles, which isn't too bad, but yeah, we'll start her up and I'll check back in with you at the garage. So yeah, put a tenner in. Fuel light's still on at the moment. Let's take it for a drive then. That's what you've been waiting for. Right. Not quite sure where to go yet. I'm gonna have to shout over the exhaust. Let's let these people go. Obviously I'll show you out the front in a minute. You don't want to just be staring at my face the whole video. Come on then. I've got to put premium unleaded in this as well every time, so it just works out even more expensive. Sainsbury's got their best fuel though. Go on then. So I was going to open the bonnet and show you the engine and talk about what's been done to it, but I thought it might drag out a little bit, might get a bit boring. So I'll just talk about it briefly as we're driving along. So yeah, as I said in the title, it's been fully forged, but it's been rebuilt straight from the bottom. It's had new pistons, new head gasket, new flywheel. We've had a new clutch fitted as well. But yeah, the whole thing's forged out. All nuts and bolts replaced as well. It's been an absolute project for the previous owner. I think he spent about £8,000 on it, so he didn't spare any money. The new turbo from Motorsport as well. It's loud as well, you can hear it fluttering. Yeah, and as you can hear, got a new exhaust on the back as well. It's pretty loud, to be honest. Yeah, we'll get some out the window shots in a minute as well. was a load of builders outside my house. I don't know what they're doing, but they had all their stuff set out in the roads, and there was this big wheelbarrow just in the middle of the road. And as I was leaving the street, this guy walks out. He's not looking. He pushes the wheelbarrow, and I either had to hit the wheelbarrow or the curb. I've swerved left, and I've hit the curb, and I've just curbed my whole wheel. I was literally talking about new wheels, and I've just absolutely curbed the whole wheel. So that's a joke. The thing that annoys me though is that they didn't even tell us that they were coming out like to do work. Normally they'll send you a letter and they'll be like, oh, we're coming to do some work outside your house, blah blah blah, on this day. But no, they just turned up. They blocked my driveway first of all, and now I've curbed my old new wheel because of it. So that's bloody typical, isn't it? But enough of that sort of story. I think I'm going to leave it there, to be honest. It's getting a bit late, it's getting dark out as well. I've went in, I've edited it, and I realised I forgot to film an outro. So yeah, obviously you can probably tell I'm new to this. I've not made a video before, so I'm not used to looking at a camera and just being natural. I've probably looked a bit awkward throughout this video, but if there's anything I can do, my light's turned off for some reason. There you go. Sorry about that. If there's anything else that you think I can do, obviously just leave a comment, let me know. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I've got, as you know, I've got a Fiesta as well, a Fiesta S1600. I'll probably do a video on that in the near future, but I just don't think it's as interesting as this car. So yeah, I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching.